could be working. But bill's not gonna stop. We all work from a different angle today. Gotta get this magnet phone holder that I saw. Not to get I hope everyone's having a great, productive day. Knocking it out so I can get back to your loved one. There we go. We're back. Yeah. So now, getting it, going into this lovely building. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know where we at. We are at the Sports Factory. Yep, man. That's where we're at. But yeah. So, I thought about this the other day, right? It's like people fail to cherish friendships or cherish a person or whatever until those individuals are not around anymore. Not so to speak dead, but just not around, you know. Some people have ended up like they miss their friendships that they used to have, and it seems like, oh, depending on who you are, man, it could be hard to find genuine, loyal friends, because believe it or not, they don't live their life already. Everybody don't live their life. You know, they live their life. They know who's in their circle, who's not in their circle. So I guess the moral of everything is, when you find a good friend, don't take them for granted. Be a loyal friend like you want them to be loyal to you. But yeah, true facts.